Hello, sorry I haven't posted on this channel in a while. So this is an unboxing video of an alarm that I've been wanting for a little bit of time now. And let's just do it. It came with the back box too. By this back box, you might be able to tell. Ooh. I didn't know it was an ES. Cool. So this is an outdoor Simplex Truealert. The model is 49AV-W RFO. So that's what it looks like, and it would go on here, just like so. This is a cover that will just pop off. So you put it on there, it goes into these tabs. So it will fit on there, and then put the cover on. Buddy, what are you doing? It goes on like that. So it looks like there's supposed to be screws. I don't think I don't think it came with screws, but that's fine because I can find my own that will fit into that. So, yeah. I mean, it's pretty much it. These are usually expensive. I found one for like 40 bucks. They're usually like $115. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.